Hey, bring it here. I'll throw it for you. Hey, Simon, bring me the ball. I'll throw it. You gonna let Alicia throw it? Get it. Go get it. Oh, look at him. He loves to play fetch. Good boy. What a good boy you are. You are my handsome little man. Here, can I have it? Can I have it? Ready? Ready? I'm gonna throw it for you, Simon. Ready? Go get it. There he goes. Simon, do you want me to throw the ball again? Hi, sweetie. You're the best boy ever. You're the bestest ever. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Hi, we're going to check your paws for allergies. I don't see anything crusty like his ears. He's such a good boy. Can we look between your toes, honey? You're the best boy. Let's check the front paws. Honey. I don't see any irritation, but he's got a lot of fur. Can I see? Oh my God, Angie would never let me do this to her. She'd be biting me. She'd be biting me. Simon, you're so good. Does he lick his paws?
Not that I've noticed. He just itches a lot.
We're gonna put Revolution on him. All right, and I don't see any fleas.
I couldn't see any either, not even when I bathed him.
Honey, okay, you can put him down. What a good puppy you are.